Step 6, importing the scan data to your PC. If we go into the tools options, we can see that we have actually done the settings for where the file will end up, and so there's nothing that we need to change there. The next thing we're going to do is actually process the scanner data. We've already sent the data from the scanner back to the FTP server, and so it's waiting there for us to process it. This is going to automatically open in Notepad, as we've told it to do within the settings. So we're going to just click on the process scan data. It processes complete, one file, good records is 3, and it automatically opens in Notepad, and it's as per the settings. It's got the JustScan count as the name and the date and the time that the scanner file was created. Brings across the count, the item code or barcode number, and the description in this case. So that completes importing the data from your scanner.